It's a lovely day over here in Earth. The sun is shining. It is so bright outside. I don't know what to do here. Well, I guess get supplies. I'll be right back. Oh. Trying to get up here, but ow. Where do we think we are right now? There might be clouds soon. Oh, it's cloudy now. Yeah, it's kind of cloudy now. Wait, whoa, there's rain. That will just make us more rain. I have to get all this rain off of me. Yeah. Oh, man. I wish I couldn't, but now I had to. Rain again. I'm getting flooded in. More rain. Yay, more rain. Splish, splash. Oh, great. Now we're stuck. Yeah. Wait! You got water in my number. Of course water gets in numbers. No. Get water in my number. Get out of here, water. I don't know what to do here. It's just rain flash floods. Oh no, it's gotten darker. It's too dark. I guess you caught me. I don't know what to do here. Wyatt, they're just rain blocks. Rain blocks? What has something to do with rain blocks? It's because that there's rain blocks coming to our city. Rain blocks? Seriously? I'm a tsunami! Wait. Ah! Oh my God. Wait, I'm a building. You know what? Look, I'm a skyscraper. Ah! Whoa! I'm flying. Okay, guys, I'm here. I'm back with the whoa 5. Wow! What was that? Nothing. Let's go. Wait. It's the rain a line. A line? Ah! Hey, guys, I'm underwater. Can somebody lift me up? I'm still underwater. Help! Whee! Hey, you're splashing water on me. Take this. Ow! What block was that? A rain block. What? Rectangle! No! Ah! Hey, look, I'm holding up the tsunami. Yeah! You splashed me! 5. Oh my God, what is happening here? Splash. Wait. Whoa. Whoa. I'm gonna clean up the water. Whee. Guys, I'm gonna be back. Ah! Stop! 4! Stop! Whee! Oh! Help us! Whee! Make way for us! Ew. Ow! Oh, it's raining now. Better take careful now. There. Run! Really loud thunder. No.